Hey guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Facebook login error. In this video, I will show you 4 methods to fix Facebook login error. An unexpected error occurred when you try to log in into your Facebook account using Samsung or any Android phone. So let's get started. Method 1. Tap and hold on to your Facebook app. Then tap here. You can see also access it here by going to settings. Tap on settings. Scroll down. Here tap on applications and permissions. Then tap on app manager. Search for Facebook. Tap on Facebook. Now in Facebook app info, tap on internal storage. From here tap on clear data and clear all data. Then go back and tap on permissions. Allow all permissions here. After that move back to home screen and restart your phone. After the restart, try to log in your Facebook account. I hope your problem will be fixed. Method number 2. Open Play Store. Search for Facebook. If you found any update available for the Facebook app, then update it. My Facebook app has been already updated. Once the update is complete, open the app and log in into your account. This time I hope your problem is no longer available. Method number 3. Go to your Play Store. Search for Facebook Lite. Install it. Now try to log in into your Facebook account through this app. Hope your problem will be fixed. Method number 4. Go to settings. Find out reset options or system management. Tap on system management. Here tap on backup and reset. Then tap on reset all settings. Unlock your phone. Tap on reset before tapping. Here don't forget to read it carefully. After finishing this process, your phone will be restarted and you will find this time your problem will be solved. If all methods are working on your phone, then try to log in into your account from another device and also check but your network connection is working well. If your problem still remains, then you had to go to contact with Facebook Help Center and tell them about your problem. In this way, you can fix Facebook login error. So this was the process by which you can fix Facebook login error.